So now let's see how we can define a new brush inside a Photopea. So for that, I'm going to go around and create a new layer, and then let's just go around and then draw out a brush right here, just like this. So let's say this is my brush. So now in order to create a new brush out of it, you need to go around over here onto the edit menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto define new and then simply select brush right here. So now the brush is added. As you can see, this layer simply turns into a brush, and you can see that you can go ahead and just draw around as you like. And the custom brush has been added around over here, as you can see, and you can change around the size of the brush right here, and you can simply draw around right here just like this. You can go ahead and change around the size right here just like this as well, and you can see that you can make it smaller right here, or you can make it larger as well just like this. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can change around the angle as well, so you can simply go around and click, and you can change the angle around of the brush as well just like this, and change around the opacity, the flow level as well just like this, and you can make it much more smoother as well as you want, just like with the other brush. You can go around and choose the color of the brush as you like as well, and then this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and then define a new brush inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.